Got the nice intro sequence lined up, so should be good. Let me just test the audio to make sure so I understand what we're working with. Got the nice intro sequence lined up, so should be good. Let me just test the audio to make sure so I understand what we're working with. Okay, so the audio is definitely working. If I'm too quiet or too loud, please don't hesitate to speak up, because I will, I'll adjust the volume. I'll do anything that needs to be done. Alright, what's up everybody? Nepal V here, back to you with another stream. If you wanna hit the like button, hit the share button, write something in the chat, whatever it is, please do it, because it does help the stream get out there, and it does sort of, yeah. So, yeah, definitely like the video. It's the very least you can do. Okay. So what I want to do here is look at the bubble, or at least look at the sci-fi let's see. The Cartoon FX. You got the prefabs. So we'll have to look at each one of these and figure out what they are. What's this? Trying to figure out where, these are legacy, right? Prefabs. Texts. Here it is. That's what I was looking for. What am I supposed to see here? Why does this one not work, but the other one does? The other one says bug. Oh, do I have to like write something in here? Hold on. It's a 2D thing, okay. Okay, so the reason why that wasn't working was because it was empty. That's why it wasn't working. Let me move a little bit this way. And also, we gotta look at these in 2D. Okay, that's the fire one, but what about this one? This one says frozen. Hit. Yeah, this is the one I'm looking for. And it says hit. But the truth is, and obviously we're gonna have to make adjustments here. It's not gonna be exactly like what I thought initially. So we are gonna be using this, and I do like the font. Size, letter spacing, color, delay, compensate lifetime. I don't know what this is. What's this? Let me actually like try like creating something else in here. Okay, so when you like type anything in here, so what ends up happening is so this doesn't loop. Okay, I think I understand how this works. Good morning, buddy. Hey, how's it going, Varric? We just chatted the other day, so I was gonna say it's been a long time, but really it hasn't really been that long, because we just talked when I was it last week? Yeah, it was last week. Hey, Varric, if you don't mind, can you hit the like button, please? I'm trying to get my, like ratio up. I think I'll just ask nicely. Thank you, Varric. Thank you so much for liking. Yeah, I'm actually looking at my analytics, and it looks pretty interesting, right? Okay, what am I saying? How's the audio quality? I hope the audio quality is good. Okay, what we're gonna do, and I don't know if this is like, trying to think here. Okay, so let's think about this. So this script here has a bunch of properties here. So when you hit a bubble, hold on, let me actually like show you what I'm trying to achieve here. And I think the only way to do that is to actually play Bubble Shooter. I don't have that on the other screen. Give me 1 sec here. I hope I don't get any messages, because that would be embarrassing. Okay, so take a look here. When you hit a bubble, you get that 1x, and then you get another text. Well, I mean, obviously this one's set up differently. So when you keep hitting these bubbles, you know, you get that, well, we're not going to add that point drop, but clearly it's going to be, you know, set up a bit differently than this. So as you can see, the numbers sort of pop up a little. Alright, but that's neither here nor there, so I don't really want to get too sidetracked. This ain't a bubble shooter stream. Well, it is, but it's not like... It's not that kind of stream. At least not today, anyway. Alright, so here's what I want to do. So, I think what we're going to do is do something like that, right? A pop. But it's going to be like random... A random sort of thing. It's going to be like random, like, just random letters that just pop up. How are those letters? I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. But what we have to do here is set I like the default settings. Now we can easily change it later on, but right now this is fine. Okay, so let me see. Which one is this one? CFXR4_hit. Okay. Cool. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna, like, take this object here. And I think this can go in particle effects. Well, let's create a new folder called text effects. I don't know why I should have put a space in this. Let's do that. I literally just had it here, so that's Sci-Fi UI. It's called JMO Assets, that's where it is. And, oops, hold on. And what I gotta do is this is actually the one I want. So I'm gonna make this, just drag it out here. Let me actually go to it though. Never thought of it that way. Alright, so I'm gonna unpack this. I don't know why it still retains like one element here, but it's all good. I'm gonna rename this to be Bubble Pop Effect. Gonna move this into my prefabs folder, the folder we just created now. Okay, let's see. Delete it from my scene, because we don't want it to pop in random places. Go back to my player at least. I hope you guys like my level design. If you don't, feel free to roast me. Actually, don't, because... Arsh Sharma, how's it going? How are you doing? How are you doing? How's your morning, night, evening? I'm just gonna, like, list all the possible time zones. Well, I'm not. It's gonna take too long if I do that. How are you doing? Awesome. Okay. So, so I've been working on this game for like a month. I started live streaming it not too long ago. But I've been, you know, doing a lot of things behind the scenes. August 1st is actually when I officially started live streaming this, but, you know, I started this off stream. I was working on another game on stream, but for some odd reason I lost interest. So we're, you know, I got 6 concurrent viewers now. How's it going, everybody? Alright, where are my bubbles? I have them right here. So the best place to do that is when a bubble pops. Okay, so bubble movement. Do you use Unreal Engine? No, I use Unity. Do I use it also? Okay, I misread your question. Okay, so in September 2023, Unity had a runtime fee controversy. I'm not going to get into that. I'll make a video on that eventually. But around the time last year, they were doing some weird shenanigans, and in that time, I switched to Unreal Engine temporarily. I think I also have a video that I live streamed on Facebook, posted it on YouTube. Doesn't have that many views. I don't know. It's weird. My game developer videos really do well, but um, so the only part I've gotten to in Unreal Engine is the terrain setup, but that's as far as I got. But then Unity apologized, backtracked some of their more extreme policies, and so then I just decided to like switch back to Unity because I've already been using Unity for a while, and it really doesn't make a lot of sense to use Unreal. Because I mean, like, let's be honest here. If I already know a game engine, why would I switch to another one? You know what I mean? It's like, but yeah. Will I use Unreal Engine for something else? Maybe. I mean, that's not to say I'm not going to use it at all, but yeah, because Unreal Engine's a great engine. It's a very powerful engine, but for now, I've already like started this in Unity. I'll develop a sequel in Unreal Engine. That's for sure. That's something I would probably do. Alright. Anyhow. What am I trying to do here? Okay, so this is where the prefabs are. So I'm just going to define another prefab here. This one's going to be... What should I call this prefab? Game object. Floating text prefab. Okay, so we don't, we gotta save our work, obviously. Because otherwise it's not gonna register here. Okay. I shared a video, like, I think it was a live stream, and I got roasted for it on Facebook. I got called out because vidIQ is what I use to title my videos, and apparently it titled my video wrong. I just went with it anyway, and I got roasted for it. So, yeah, I guess it was sort of deserved. I deleted the post because I don't want people misrepresenting my views. It's an okay service. It hasn't really got me the views. I might cancel the membership. I'll try it for like another month, but then, you know, I'm probably not going to stick with it. Okay, let's lock the screen so we can actually get that bubble prefab in here. We'll have to do it for all the bubbles though. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Let's find the next one. Okay. I'm gonna mute my desktop audio. And watch a podcast while I do this, because it's going to take some time. Yes, I'm one of those people. Okay, we're good. We're good. That was tedious. Wasn't that tedious, but it was tedious. Now, this object is kind of useless at the moment because we're not really doing anything with it yet. So what I want to do is create a new region that, okay, spawns a bubble. So what we're going to do is look at how we're spawning the paint effect. So trigger paint explosion. We'll probably do it in here. So this is like if it's a silver bullet. But you know what? This function, it's used pretty much everywhere. So let's look at how we're doing it here. Go to definition. Let's see. Let's pull up ChatGPT and ask for some random words. So I am creating bubble tank frenzy. Which is a true statement. I am creating bubble tank frenzy. Let's see. In my video, or in my game, when I hit a bubble, I want the text pop up to say 5 random pop-ups. Create a serializable string array with five. I don't want it to be serializable. An array with 5 random pop-up messages. 5 pop-ups. 5 hit words. I don't know. Trying to come up with words, but apparently I don't know how to come up with words. Okay, so they're not really random. So we got, no, it's not JavaScript, you idiot. It's Unity C#. Got a little heated there. Seriously though, why did it say JavaScript? Alright, so we could just define it here. So you got hit words, you got boom, pow, smash, bam, pop. All those different things. I discovered a new way to prompt engineer, and I think it's... I saw Lex Friedman do it. Say what you will about him, I don't care. But, you know, he's also a programmer, so that's all that matters to me. Let's see. So what we want to do in the paint explosion, after the render explosion occurs, so paint render is none, it's not null, gets that. Destroy particle system after play. Let's think about this. So we want the particle system to play. Actually, no, what we want, do we want the paint effect to occur first? Because here's how I have it set up right now. And we haven't done anything yet. So all this is kind of moot. So it's like nothing's actually going to happen. Okay, so that's good. It's interesting. Got some red bubbles here. So yeah, you can see the paint effect happen. The explosion, right? Hope you guys can see that. So that one's a purple explosion. All these have their own unique explosions. That's the way I have it set up now, at least. Okay, I just got a bunch of purples, and I got a red one right here. Greens. got a silver bullet that just popped up, like, must have gotten a streak, which is not really obvious, so we're definitely gonna do some UI additions today. I'm feeling pretty energetic today. I don't know why that is. I think it's because I got a mic or something. Who knows? Okay, so hopefully you guys get the idea of the paint explosion. So when you hit a bubble, the paint explosion comes, pop. All of a sudden it just pops. So what I'm thinking about doing is doing it somewhere in here. Hold on, let me set something up first. I just realized not having music is the worst way to go. This is Panda Beats. Check them out if you haven't already. Alright, here we go. There we go. So, you got this destroy particle system after play. Let's revisit this function. So you get the particle effect and it plays on renderer. So don't do anything while it's playing, so once it's done, we destroy the game object. Floating text prefab. Let me revisit this function. Okay. Now, what we want to do is, the question is, do we do it before or after? I think we should do it before. Let's see. Start the code routine and destroy the what's the word for it? Destroy the text effect after it finishes playing. It's all gonna have the same color. We'll have to do some tweaking, but for now, let's just at least get this on. Let's just at least get this on screen. Okay. Pretty sure it's this. Get component particle system. Actually, no, it's not the particle system. Hold on. It's not the particle system. It's actually the... It is the particle system, okay. We do want the particle system, but we also want the particle text. Oh, wait a sec. We don't really care. Hold on. So, let's see. What do we want this method to do? It doesn't really return a string. It's a coroutine. So we have a global array. Okay. Questions number 1. Alright, let's see. So destroy pop-up system after play. So we have an array, and we want to get a random word from this array. Okay. Actually, there's another assumption we have to make here. Let's see, the other assumption is... So, let's see, the other assumption is we got a floating text prefab. It's not really a paint explosion, say. CFXR underscore particle text. How do I refer to this another... Oh, okay. That's what it's called. What is it called exactly? 'Cause I don't see the name anywhere. Oh, it's right here. Okay. What do we call it? Wait a sec. I'm in the wrong one. It's called something else. Particle text. CFXR underscore particle text. This is like camel cased. CFXR underscore particle text. Let's go for that. They should have a property in here called text. Lifetime multipliers 1. Rotation. Let me go in here and see. So when you play that, okay, you only see the P. This is messing with me. We'll leave it. We'll leave it, you know what, we'll leave it by the default setting for now. We'll just leave it that way for now, but for now, keep saying for now, let's see, I totally forgot why I even opened it in the first place. How amazing is that? We got a property in there called text. Okay. It has a property called text, which is a string. Great. I'm just putting all the facts here. Now, let me think about the next thing. the function will assign the random word to the text. Okay, so then what do we want to do? I think that's it, right? This function okay. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm having a hard time between music and not to music, so I'm just gonna skip the music thingy. Let me think. Let's see. What do we use? System random or something? Or okay, I think we should be able to test this out now. You cannot update the text at runtime if it's not marked as oh. Huh. Holy crap, that just works out of... Well, I mean, I have to make adjustments, but that's... Holy crap, dude, that's insane. It's too small. Let's see if we can make it a bit bigger. I don't know, I feel like that's way too extreme. I'll let you guys decide. Was the other way better? Do you guys like that effect, or is it like... Crash, boom, bang. I'll have to adjust that, because it is a bit bothering. I just bang the keyboard and see what would happen. Or I don't know, I didn't really change anything. I like this. I really do. I kind of like this. I don't know about you guys. Alright. That's one thing I wanted to do. Another thing I wanted to look at was the UI. Because honestly, it's kind of hard to read this. So let's look in the Sci-Fi UI Pro Asset Pack and see what we have. Fits just like a glove. So does that. Alright. I'm gonna make a segment detailing everything I just did, just to show off. Like, this is gonna be like, so, the live stream is gonna be on my channel, but obviously it's gonna be a recorded segment, so this is gonna be edited. Alright. Hold on. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Nepal V here. I got a great demo for you. Hold on, that was terrible. That was awful. Let me try that again. This one will hopefully be better. What's up, everybody? This is Nepal V, back to you with another video. In this video, I got an awesome demo for you. So, why don't we begin? So you're probably wondering, why am I, like, acting all excited and acting all, you know, performative? What's all this performative signaling about? Well, I got the pop-up text to work, and I also updated the timer. So when you hit a bubble, you're not just going to see the paint effect, you're going to see some sort of reward system when players hit bubbles. So you're actually going to get feedback that gives you insight on what you just did. And I think this is like very appropriate for a game like this. And I do feel proud of whoever created this asset pack because they made it so easy to do it, no other setup needed. It's the Cartoon VFX asset pack. So, yeah, hopefully you guys will get something out of this. So if you like what you're watching, if you want to see the full live stream, which will definitely be available, because this is being recorded live, but if you want to see the live stream, I'll link it in the description below. Otherwise, yeah, if you want to know how to set something like that up, it'll be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Yeah, I know, I gotta get better at that. Okay, so that was interesting. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and edit that clip and post it on my YouTube channel. I do want to talk about another thing that's been sort of bugging me lately. Well, it's not really bugging me, but it's something that has to be talked about. So I'm going to be working on that video. It's the Unity runtime fee. I'm going to give a complete history on it and write up a script and just give you the information so that we can actually like learn about what happened with the Unity runtime fee. Alright. Peace out, y'all. Thank you for watching. Hope you got something out of this. If not, then thanks for sticking with me this long. If you haven't already, hit the like button on the video. And yeah, keep an eye out for that edited recording.